straight off the rip, we've bounced into this fair value gap. So now we're just waiting to see if we want to continue heading to the upside. Also bounced right here from NQ. So let's see if we can get an entry somewhere here, going for those highs after that trend line break. May have been a little bit late of an entry, but let's see. Going for like 100 ticks. So if this candle closes, I'm gonna take this. This candle closes above that trend line, I'm gonna take it. Going in with 4 contracts, looking to see what we can do here. And I'm in.
Order filled.
Stop loss below this level. Looking for a nice push to the upside on price here. Let's keep it pushing. So remember, 90 ticks is true TP. If you want to be a bit greedy, you can go for 100. At 50 ticks, we can move our stops to break even here. So guys, if you feel comfortable moving your stops to break even, go ahead and do that now to protect your capital. So you can move stops to break even. So I'm gonna move my stops to break even just in case, but I may move it back if I think we're still gonna push up. I'm gonna move it from break even because I feel like it could just try to hit my break even, and then so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it to half my risk. I'm gonna half my risk instead of moving it to complete break even, because sometimes price does like to fake out or go back to entry and then push back up. So but if you guys, you know, are more risk averse, definitely move it to break even. There's nothing wrong with that. That probably would have hit my break even. Let's get a nice push from here. Come on, let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it pushing. So remember guys, 90 ticks is first TP. So 90 ticks is really supposed to be that's like my back tested TP. And sometimes price trades into it and then fails from there. So but I've been noticing that lately it's been trading into 100 ticks. That's why I have my stop all the way up there. But 90 ticks is my true back tested TP. See what it's looking like on the 5. All right, let's trade right into those highs. I think we want to do that at least. Right into those highs and sweep it, and then see what we want to do after that. So we're approaching the highs. If you guys, again, are risk averse, you can start trimming from here. If you're satisfied with your profits and things, trade into those highs. You know, you guys don't have to follow exactly what I'm doing. If you're satisfied, by all means, trade. Okay, we've traded into 90 ticks now. So full TP has been hit. So I should really be out of this trade. I'm gonna move my stops to break even. I like to do the least. At least my stops are at break even. But I do want those 100 ticks. Let's push through those highs aggressively. So guys, again, we're at 90 ticks. That is my full TP data driven. So you should be out of your position here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Boom. TP hit. That's how we do it. That is fucking how we do it, guys. That is exactly how we fucking do it. Let's see some fucking W's in the fucking chat, guys. Look at that shit. That's how we do it, man. That is how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Passed your eval. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. Nice one. Now let's get to them payouts, bro. Entered a bit late, but still ate. Nice, 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 nice. That's exactly how we do it. 250 away from passing another eval. Let's go. See, that's what you want to do. Just stack up those evals, stack it up, get as many evals as you can. You can see NQ also did exactly like we wanted. Tapped into that FVG and then shot right back up, heading for those highs and potentially trading higher. So that is that, guys. Beautiful day, beautiful day, beautiful day. So basically your eval is passed. All you have to do is reduce your risk and trade it into profit so you can start getting payouts. No need to rush, no need to over leverage, no need to do any of that. If you take losses along the way, at least you're not taking too huge of a loss. And as long as your wins are more than your losses, you will be good. So no need to do anything crazy. Just go slow. Try to stack accounts so you can take consistent payouts. That is the name of the game. But yeah, guys, that is that for me. If you guys have any other questions, for sure let me know. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, y'all.